When you think of heroes in medicine, whose names come to mind? Is it those celebrated in textbooks or history documentaries? Now, what if I told you that some of the most groundbreaking figures, those who revolutionized healthcare, saved lives and inspired change, are names you've likely never heard? This is their story. Welcome to the Black Health Studio. For centuries, Black medical pioneers have faced challenges most of us can barely imagine. From the horrors of slavery to the barriers of systemic racism, from scarce resources to limited opportunities, their fight wasn't just for survival but for innovation and excellence. And through it all, they showed us the true meaning of courage, compassion, and an unyielding commitment to care. Today, in many parts of sub-Saharan Africa, there is just one doctor for every 5,000 people. Yet, many within these daunting conditions, Black pioneers have forged new paths and created solutions that have transformed healthcare systems locally and globally. Take Dr. James Africanus Horton. Born in Sierra Leone in 1835, he became one of the first West Africans to earn a medical degree. Horton's groundbreaking research on tropical diseases like malaria laid the foundation for modern medicine in Africa. And when he wasn't saving lives, Horton dreamed of self-governance for African nations, proving that medicine and activism often go hand in hand. In Nigeria, Dr. Theophilus Oladipo Ogunlesi broke new ground as the country's first professor of medicine. He didn't just treat patients, he revolutionized mental health care, turning stigma into understanding and despair into hope. Imagine the courage it took to stand against ignorance and build something transformative in the most populous country in Africa. And then there is Dr. Christian Happy, the molecular biologist from Cameroon who is redefining disease control. His team's real-time genome sequencing during the Ebola crisis didn't just save lives, it changed how the world handles pandemics. Dr. Stella Ameyo Adadevoh's quick thinking and courage during the 2014 Ebola outbreak in Nigeria saved millions. By identifying and isolating patient 0, she prevented a catastrophe. Her actions remind us of the power of a single decision. And in Namibia, Dr. Helena Ndume has restored sight to over 35,000 people, all free of charge. Known as the Miracle Doctor, her work reminds us that health is about dignity and the chance to see life anew. Long before these modern heroes, Mary Seacole, a Jamaican nurse, defied all odds to care for soldiers during the Crimean War. Often regarded as the Black Florence Nightingale, racism couldn't stop her. Limited resources couldn't stop her either. Her story is a testament to the unbreakable spirit of Black medical pioneers. Mary Tompkins and Olga Rhodes Miller knew the power of education. They trained generations of nurses, proving that knowledge is one of the most powerful tools for change. From Sierra Leone to South Africa, from Cameroon to Jamaica, these pioneers didn't just shape medicine, they indeed shaped history. Their stories challenge us to imagine a better, more equitable world where healthcare is a right, not a privilege. So now, it's your turn. Share this video, subscribe to the Black Health Studio, and let's ensure these stories reach every corner of the globe. Because the legacy of these heroes isn't just history, it's a call to action. See you in our next video.